Hi, I'm Seth from Seared Farms. We're working on some supplemental videos for our cook guides that are delivered with every box of Seared Farms product. Today, we're focused on the reverse sear. Now, the reverse sear is it's a really popular method. It makes it pretty easy to get the exact desired doneness that you're looking for. So we're just gonna season with salt and pepper. It's gonna go onto a rack on a pan, and it's gonna go into a 275 degree preheated oven until it reaches the desired temperature. If you need help figuring out what temperature is right for you, check out our steak doneness video. Today we're gonna be targeting about 120 degrees, which could take up to 60 minutes, but I'm gonna definitely start checking the temperature after about 30 minutes to make sure that I don't go past the temperature. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check our temp here. It's right where we want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it rest for just a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sear it in the pan. So right now, if you don't already have your pan hot, you wanna go ahead and get your pan preheating. We're gonna give this about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna sear it off. Okay, so now we've rested about 10 minutes. We've got a hot pan, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it just a quick sear. You wanna make sure you hear that sizzle when it hits the pan. That's what tells you that your pan is hot enough. So we're gonna go about 60 to 90 seconds on each side just to get a nice sear on it. The steak is already rested. All we're doing is putting that crust right on the outside. So as soon as you're done searing it and it looks the way you want it, you're good to go ahead and slice and serve. So now that we've got a nice hard sear on both sides, we're gonna remove it from the heat. And go ahead and see how we did here. It's nice, medium rare. Check out our other cook guide videos for other tips and tricks.